Hey guys, so I just wanted to check in real quick and I wanted to give you a quick video, just a really quick refresher on how to use the graphing calculator to do line of best fit and linear regression. We did this in class, but I just wanted to go over it one more time with you guys. So say that I have this set of information here. I got height on my x-axis, weight on my y-axis. So if the question is asking you to find the line of best fit using your calculator, these are the steps that we're going to go through. So the first thing we need to do is press our stat button. Okay, it's going to come up as edit and press enter. My L1 and my L2 are blank. Okay, so say that there was actually, if there were numbers in here, okay, you cannot just hit the delete button. Okay, hitting the delete button will delete the entire column. What we need to do is we need to use our up arrow so that L1 is actually highlighted, you can see there, and then hit clear. Okay, please do not hit delete. What that does is that clears the entire list. So if there's other numbers in your calculator, you need to do that. So L1 is really going to be our X values, which in our case it's height, and then L2 is going to be our weight. So you want to go through and enter them. So I got 10, you can use your enter or you can use your down arrow, either way. Okay, so going through and putting these in, and I got 15, 15, 17, 18, and 19. Okay, coming over to the other column then. All right, we got 15, 20, 24, 24, 28, 32, 31, and 33. Okay. Now, one thing that you really want to make sure after entering all of the information is making sure that this matches up down here at the bottom, that they're across from one another. If you would accidentally have entered an extra number over here, say we looked at things wrong and I accidentally entered an extra 19. Okay, you can see that now my L1 and my L2 at the bottom do not line up. Okay, so if you go and try and calculate your line of best fit, you're going to end up getting an error saying that your domain is mismatched. All right, that means that you accidentally have in one too many numbers in one of the columns. All right, so we have our L1 and our L2 there. So next, we need to hit our stat button again. We need to go to the right to calculate. Okay, we are going to go down to number 4, linear regression, and hit enter. Okay, now some of your calculators may come up like this. If it does, just hit enter again. If they do not come up like this, you may need to scroll down to where it says calculate and then press enter once calculate is highlighted. You can also see here that my R value is not showing up. So in order to get my R value, I need to come down here to catalog. I need to scroll all the way down. Okay, diagnostic on, enter, enter. Okay, so now that my diagnostic is on, we're going to try this again. Hit stat, go down to linear regression, enter, enter again. Okay, so now you can see that my R values actually show up. All right, with your R values, you are not worried about the R squared. You're only worried about the A, B, and the R. Okay, your A value here, estimate it, okay, round it to, I would say, the tenths. So that's really 2.03. Your B value, negative 4.59. And then your R value is 0.97. So taking that information, the equation of that line of best fit would be y equals your 2.03x and then plus or minus, 4.59. Okay, so your slope then would be your 2.03. Your y-intercept would be a negative 4.59. All right, your R value is 0.97, so that's super close to 1, okay, meaning it's a positive correlation, and that your data, if you would graph this on an actual graph, it would be super compacted tightly together. Okay, so there is a very high positive correlation between your height and your weight, okay, of the cats here. So that is just a quick run through. One more thing, just say that you're going through your list and for some reason or another, you want to delete something out of here. Okay, say that I no longer want to use 18, 31 because that's really an outlier. You can come down here to the 18 and you can just delete that one entry. Okay, it matched up with the 31, so you'd have to come over to the Y value then and also delete the 31 so that you can see again that your X and your Y values actually line up, so that if you will go through and try to find your line of best fit, that you wouldn't get your mismatch, your error of your domain error. Okay, so that was just a really quick lesson, guys, on using the calculator to find your line of best fit, what everything means, and how to delete items in your calculator. If you have any questions, please reach out and let me know. Thank you.